kama umeajiriwa mahali popote, unapokatwa pesa inaenda kwa body inaitwa Social Health Authority that is supposed to manage the SHIF. SHIF is the Social Health Insurance Fund. Mambo ya kufanya kazi ama ifanyi kazi will come to that. But today kisheria ambayo mbunge wako na mbunge wangu na mbunge wa yule walipitisha, SHA is the thing that we are operating with. Correct. That is the discussion we should be having. The second discussion we should be coming to it, is it working or it is not working? And if it is not working, what are we supposed to do? That should be the question. Sio mambo ya kupiga kelele. That's a fact. Correct.
I think some of you have been answered.
Sijui kama kulipa is one thing na kupata service is another. Hata NHIF kwa tunalipa na tunaenda kutafuta service. So that is something that we should learn from today. Kwamba the body that the government insures you inaitwa SHA, that is the authority. And then we have SHIF, the Social Health Insurance Fund. Na iko na category zake and I can explain them as they go. Sijui kama tunakubaliana. But because wewe kasikia mbaya na huko mbali. Hapa lazima tuelezane. The second thing, tulikuwa tunaongea juu ya siasa ya nchi, which is factual and we will speaking about it. As we are talking today, the intelligence of the nation imewapatia candidate called Matiang'i. And people have been saying that Kenya, the country Kenya, has no opportunities, cannot make someone cannot dream with it. Matiang'i, all of us know his history. He was a lecturer at Kenyatta University. And we know Moi University. Thank you for the correction. Sawa, whichever the university. And we know what he used to do there. And we know how he came to government. Today, tumeambiwa kwamba mbona una echo? Na today tumeambiwa through the billions. The bare truth is this. Hawa watu ni wezi na wanaiba pesa ya mwananchi. Where could Matiang'i afford that money 5 years ago or 10 years ago? How did he become rich? That is a fact. We should not be just celebrating here that Matiang'i. Joakim ametoroka huko. Ya pili, ngoja. Wewe Matiang'i,
a very orderly point of order.
Wakati serikali inakuja kuongea bwana.
A very orderly point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Ngoja. Unajua, I cannot be informed by opposition.
It is allowed.
No, you see, he's informing me. I'm not allowing to inform me. I don't want to inform me. Kitu ya haraka ni hii. As we are saying, the president is committed to transform the country. As citizens, as patriots, as the people of this nation, we need to support the president. I'm explaining and we tell this namaliza kusema namna hii. My closing remarks is very simple. Closing remarks is very simple. Democracy. Niongea ukweli. Nyinyi kama mnakasirika na mambo ya William Ruto, mjipange.